Getting ready for a wild adventure once I get up. If I should happen to die, I don't know. Give my GameCube or my Xbox to my sister.
How does LBC take you down?
Sorry. One more. Come on. Yo, that's a lot of ice. I'm gonna try and get out of people's way because there's ice in the middle and it's hard to stop. Oh shit! Hey, you alright?
Trying to switch.
Yeah, nah. I should probably wait for you guys to go ahead of me then, just so I can try and get the recorded action a little bit better. We'll just wait at the first spot there, the turning point.
Turn right.
No, I'm saying we should try to wait by the turning point for Judy, so she doesn't go the wrong way. Holy shit, that's ice. 괜찮아? Okay.
It's okay.
Wait here. 왔어? 좋아. 이쪽으로 내려갈까? 우와. 와, 형보다 더 잘 하고 있는 것 같은데? 어? 여기가
You're not too bad. Pretty good.
considering that she passed up, so I'm good. Going slow and steady, but still passing them up. So we're going to the right side, not the left. 쭉 가는 거야. 왼쪽으로 가면 안 돼. 쭉 가야 돼. Sorry. I was trying to turn too hard to record it.